Welcome to Home-Based Chef. This is part 3 of our quick and easy pizza recipe, and in this video, we are making garlic shrimp pizza for seafood lovers out there. These are the ingredients which are also listed in the description box below. We will need 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 20 grams of shrimp, peeled, deveined, and cut into pieces, 15 grams of red bell pepper cut into strips, 6 pieces of basil leaves, and 6 cloves of garlic chopped. We also need 115 grams of ready-made pizza sauce, 20 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 20 grams of grated Eden cheese, 2 pieces 4-inch ready-made pizza crust, iodized salt, and ground black pepper. Let's begin! Preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Add the chopped garlic and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the pieces of shrimp and mix with the garlic. As the shrimp cooks, it will turn light orange in color. Add the red bell peppers and season with iodized salt and ground black pepper. Mix well until the shrimps are cooked. Then transfer to a bowl and set aside. Now let's begin assembling the pizza. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce over the surface of the pizza crust. Spread the mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Followed by the Eden cheese. Spread the cooked garlic shrimp and red bell pepper over the cheese. Make sure to distribute it nicely. Drizzle with the remaining olive oil and season with iodized salt and ground black pepper. Place the basil leaves on top and finally, extra cheese. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is crispy and the cheese is bubbly for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it! Our garlic shrimp pizza is ready. Slice it while it's hot and enjoy! If you make this recipe, snap a pic and hashtag it #HomebasedChef. We would love to see your creations on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or let us know in the comment section below. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Also, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified with new videos. Bye!